Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome back to Semrow Farms. So these are some yellow tulips and a grape hyacinth we got at the Flower and Garden Show a week ago. And we're going to pot them in this canvas pot together. I got my Home Depot bucket here with my soil mix, which is basically organic flower and vegetable mix mixed with black cow. But this is actually going to be perfect because these are both bulbs, so they can plant and replant over and over and over again. So when we move from this apartment into the house in the summer, these can come with us. But also, these tulip flowers, typically the bulbs as they grow will, sink further and further into the ground. I've learned a little tip that if you plant them in a pot like this, they will only go down so far. So that's a friendly little tip from Semrow Farms. Yeah, we're gonna plant them together with this in there right now.